Going to have a look at expanding brackets. So first of all, I want to show you what we mean by 2 and then in brackets a plus 3. Now, like when we were looking at what's my number, with algebra, when we're given a letter, we don't know what value that is. We may find out at a later date, but at the moment we don't know what a is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a cube like we would have done in class. I'm going to use a cube to represent the a. So let's have a look at what's in the bracket first. I've got a, which I'm using a cube, plus I've got 3. So I can count those 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this bit here is what is in my brackets above. That's a plus 1, 2, 3. Now, this is telling me I've got 2 lots of, because remember this is the same as saying 2 times a plus 3. So if I've got 2 times this, let's just rub these out. If I've got 2 times this, and I've got 2 lots of what you can see on the screen. So let's add to that. I now have 2 lots. Okay, so how many a's have we got altogether? Well, I can see here, these are my a's. How many have I got? I've got 2 of them. So this is going to equal 2a. Now you may have noticed that's the same as saying 2 multiplied by a. We know that 2 multiplied by a equals 2a. Let me just rub this bit out for a second. Okay, then the next bit is to have a look at how many units I've got. So here I've got, I wanted a different colour. Here I've got my units. How many have I got? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So 2a plus 6. And you'll notice if we look on here, if I did 2 times 3, that would also equal 6. So that is how we expand our brackets. Okay, let's have a try at one more, and then I'm going to get you to go and practice some. So pause the video, see if you can have a go at this first. You can draw it out like we've just done, if that helps you. So pause the video and come back in a minute once you've done it. Okay, so hopefully you've had a try, because then that's a better way to then assess your understanding. So the first thing I'm going to do is say, okay, let's look inside the brackets, because we do the brackets first. We've got a plus 2. So let's use our multi-link cube to represent a, and then our 2 little ones to represent our 2. So I've got a plus 2 in my brackets. Now this is telling me I've got 3 lots of this. So let's add to that. It's another lot and another lot. I now have 3 lots. So how many a's do I have altogether? Well, these are my a's. And I can see that I have got 3a. I've got 3 of them. So 3 times a we would write as 3a. So that is 3 times a equals 3a. And then we're going to have a look at these ones here. So how many have I got in total? Well, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm adding 6. We can see that here is 3 times 2 would have given us that 6. So you've got 2 different methods there. You can draw it out like this, or you can use your arrows here and know that you're multiplying what's on the outside by what's on the inside. So use one of those 2 methods, one that you prefer, to answer the rest of the questions.